Never ever say this to a man and do this instead, okay? That's what this video is about. So what you don't want to say first, and then we'll get to what you can say instead. And it's a really big difference. What you don't want to say is, you're not a man, start acting like a man up, and be a man. All of these shamey comments are emasculating to him, and he's subscribed, for better or worse, to a construct that means man equals whatever. I'm like driven, I'm purposeful, I'm successful, and you're shaming him for not living up to a really bullshit standard that men have a hard time living up to about what the kind of ideal man is. You're with someone who's different than that. And just like women have their standards that they can never measure up to according to society, right? It's just not fair. So when you say you shame him for not being a man in some version, or he needs to man up, you're basically communicating, I don't love you and accept you as you are, and you need to be different. And you need to be more of what society has trained me to like, which is a man who ... fill in the blank, whatever a man is. Okay, and you're buying into and subordinating to a construct that's false and is bullshit. And you need to get out from under that if you're judging him, all right? And there's different ways to do that. What you can say instead, if we remove the gender labels, what you can say instead is, to a partner who isn't measuring up to how you want them to be or live, you can just say, I'm losing trust in you and your leadership, and I'm getting triggered by your behavior, and I'm not sure what to do about it. And I'm going to start working on my side, why this is so activating for me. And I've got you kind of in a box, and I want you to be different. And I'm not sure how to proceed. Okay, see the difference between shaming him that he needs to live up to some weird construct versus just being curious about yourself and why this is so activating for you. And then using words like, I'm having a hard time trusting you. That communicates to a guy like, shit, I'm not trustworthy as a person, not as a man, as a person. And that feels bad, and that could motivate him to change his behavior. All right? Try that and report back. Okay, leave a comment below if this was helpful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and more videos to come.